So,
Hey guys, welcome to Belize. We are in Corozal town in northern Belize, and we are here with Crisologo Sosa, and he is the owner of Belcuisine. They make spices. You know what you make. What the hell do you do?
it's a world of true taste here in Belize. The natural and fresh spices goes out to the market every day.
Sells it all over Belize.
It's all over the country of Belize. Yep, at your favorite supermarket. My two friends here are working on a machine here that has been down for like a year, so we're
Yeah.
upgrading it.
What kind of machine?
It packs the little small packages of spices
Oh yeah.
for the little smaller shops. You know?
Yeah. Mhm.
So-
The ones that you hang on the wall.
Right. Sometimes people here in Belize have the culture that to go and buy every day,
Yeah.
at the shop, and a small little package just for the day.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, because they can't afford a big bag full.
That's right. That's right,
Uh-huh.
dog.
All
Yeah.
right. Yeah, cool.
So if you could see up there was our oregano packed up there from our farm.
Oh yeah.
We have our farm there that produces our oregano.
Oh wow. Oh,
and
you
some
grow your own.
spices.
You grow your own already.
Yeah, we do our organic
Wow.
growing too, so, of oregano and spice seed and stuff. So it's
Cool. Cool. And here are all the workers' bikes. Everyone come to work on a
Yeah.
bicycle.
We are
Lots of workers.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Let's go take a look, guys,
Let's go take a
and
look.
see
in
how spices are made here
in
Corozal
Belize.
town in Belize.
Freshly produced and packed. Okay, as we enter in the little small, this is a very small production area. You won't see any modern stuff because we do everything with love and the homemade style spices. So what you're gonna see is semi-mechanized stuff. So it's not a big production area, but we do our best.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome. Okay, very good. As you can see here are some mills, but they are not working right now. It's usually in the morning that they do
Yeah.
all the grinding and stuff. And
Now that's all the grinding machines.
right, the two of the grinding
Yeah.
machines, yes. Then we have some mixers, Like right now I can see some, they mix the granulated and powdered stuff so that it goes into packaging. Okay. See, right, you can come in and see.
Here you guys can see the bags being filled really fast. Filler up, sealer. Down they go.
All right.
Cool.
As simple as that.
Yep.
Yep. Then we have the machine here that makes our bags, but right now it's kind of down.
Yeah.
So they have to help us cutting. The cutter is messed up. But we're trying to get the part from.
That's always the trouble. The more machines you have, the more machines break down.
That is right, sir. That is
Yep.
right. Thank you. Yep.
That's the bag machine. And she's the bag machine now.
Yeah, that's right. Now we come into our packaging area where you see we have a lot of manual work to help our people here in Belize. So, we have the
All
packing
the local
cinnamon
workers
sticks, for
have a job
example.
here.
Yeah.
What's up?
That is Sina leaves.
Sina leaves,
Yeah,
yeah.
something sold here in.
And they bag it by hand.
Yeah, by hand. It has to be by hand.
Weigh it off, get the right weight.
Yep, the right weight. Yes.
And then here the guys are doing cinnamon sticks,
Cinnamon sticks too. Yep,
making packages ready for the store.
that's right. Here we go.
This is really cool to see.
Okay, let's go.
And here
Now
we
we
do.
have another version of another size of complete seasoning here.
Oh yeah.
As you can see.
Oh, you make the bottles too.
Yeah,
For the big supermarkets.
that's right. Okay.
And here they're bagging off the bottles.
So there you
show
go
the
again.
Other places, adobo. Yeah, it's also known as adobo.
Yeah, adobo. Yeah, in Spanish, recado, and
Yeah, you season chicken, beef, pork, everything. with
anything.
that.
Fish, if you wish.
Fish.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yep.
Have you ever tasted the cochinita pibil?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the main
Yeah.
ingredient in cochinita
Exactly.
pibil.
You eat that at Merida, Yucatan.
Yeah, that's right. And then we go ahead with some more complete seasoning.
Yeah, the more complete seasoning getting bagged off. Yeah. Oh,
You
they're
can see
making.
these pouches here are sold in the stores for $1 Belize.
$1 Belize, 50 cents US.
50 cents US. That's so cheap that anybody can afford it.
Dirt cheap, dirt cheap.
For the quality we're giving,
it's good stuff too.
That's
Because
right.
I know it because I ate that
you
stuff
use
for
it,
years.
right, Doug?
For years and years and years.
All right. Well,
And here we got the labels. Look at that.
yeah, we have the labels out here.
Millions of labels ready
That's
to
right.
go. Look at that.
Ready, yes.
Meat tenderizers, aniseed, dacia seasoning, ginger, cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, cayenne, cilantro seed, cinnamon powder, all-purpose, garlic. Here's one of the hard workers, Magali Ayala Lopez, working hard. I know
right,
her.
you know her,
She's
huh?
my sister-in-law.
Okay, awesome. Yeah.
And here's some of the other girls working.
Then we have some beautiful ladies here doing
Yep.
the manual work again. There's Annie, and she's, you know.
Hi, what's your name? Annie, yeah. How's the job? You enjoy the job here? You a good boss? Great.
Excellent, right, Annie? All right.
And you, what's your name? Chelsea? You like working here too? All right. And you, miss? Tamika. Oh, I know you. Tamika, holy cow. I didn't recognize you. I know you. And they hang this on the store, on the nail. And then you go in and you just rip one off.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you can see.
That's how it's hung at the store.
Yeah, see, they hang it like this on the store. And then you just pull a bag off. And that's what you're taking home. So they
That's
keep
right.
hanging till they're all gone. Thank you.
All right,
Very
Doug.
nice.
Well,
Very nice. And you make the little bricks
we
too?
have bricks too, yeah. Yeah, we have bricks of red ricardos.
Uh-huh. And you also make the big packages,
We
right?
made the big 1 kilo packages
Yeah, the
too.
1 kilo packages.
I don't see it right here, but they must
Yeah.
have been in the store. Also, we have the black ricardo version for. Sure, a lot of people know black ricardo.
A lot of people have no idea what black ricardo is.
Oh, how nice it is!
I know.
Yeah, the famous chirmole
I love black ricardo,
Oriental.
yeah.
Yeah,
And here we got some ready to
yeah,
go.
yeah, ready to be.
Taken to the stores. And this is the little packing operation.
Yeah, it's a small little, like,
Yeah.
as you see, it's very.
They have another operation where they burn the spices and do all that stuff,
right.
but that's early in the morning when
That's
nobody's
all-
around, so we
Yeah,
can't see that.
We can't see that right now. See, there's another packaging. A lot of this,
Yeah.
ricardo in this presentation goes abroad.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh, you export too?
not but indirectly too.
Yeah, like us.
Right, like you.
I buy like this usually 10 to 15, and I take the back can and I take the black one too.
Yeah, that's right.
Every time.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you for your.
And the other stuff we can't show the mixing, what
No, no,
spices,
no.
not because that's
The
top
real
secret. That's
secrets.
top secret. You think
Yeah,
McDonald's are gonna show
of-
you? No, and he
of
won't
course
either.
not.
Because that's how he makes his money.
Hey.
Because he got the brain.
That's right.
He got the
That's
brain
right,
to
Doug.
do it. Nobody else in Belize does it except you.
Well, we're one of the largest
Yeah.
local producers.
Yeah,
though.
I know they got a lot of little people who make red ricardo and black
right.
ricardo,
But we,
but nobody has really done the production thing. How many people work here?
we have in production, we have like 15 people.
Wow. Well, that is interesting.
Thank you.
That is very, very interesting.
Yeah, well, this is the main activity there,
Yeah.
you know.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Well, we appreciate you gave us a little tour.
thank you
That
so
was
much,
great.
and I wish you all the best. In
Yeah, I really
in your
thank you very,
new
very much.
project here, of your
Yep.
blogs, though.
Trying to promote Corozal, get
Corozal.
Corozal a little bit on the map because nobody, you look for video of Corozal, there's nothing.
There's nothing. Yeah, nice.
Nothing on YouTube.
Nice. As a good Corozalino yourself, huh?
Exactly, exactly. I lived here my whole life.
Yes.
Not
yes.
here now, but I always come back home.
Yes, all right.
Yeah.
Always come to eat your rice and beans, your chirmole, your tacos,
Yep.
with Belcuisine condiments.
Almost everything cooked with Belcuisine
That's right.
condiments. That's for sure.
right. Yes, sir.
So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a like,
That's right.
write some comments. If you know this guy, send him a message on YouTube also.
I'll be glad.
Yep.
All
Thanks
right.
for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.